We'll guide you through how to make a collage for an Instagram post. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So a collage is multiple photos put together. So if you went to an event or something and you want to go and put them all into one post, let's do it. What you need to do is come to the bottom of Instagram. There you can go and click on the plus button like so. First of all, you need to go and choose a background for your collage. So you can choose one from your photos here. You could even just go and take a photo of something random. It doesn't really matter. In this case, I'll go and use this here. After you've chosen the background, click on next in the top right. Now we can start adding the photos you want to make a collage with. So go to the bottom and click on media. And what you can then do is start selecting the photos you want to use. For example, I'll use this one here. What you can then do is click and hold on it to position it, and you can go and tap on it to go and edit it, how it goes and looks. For example, I'll make this into a square, for example. And then we can add another by clicking media, and we can go and choose another photo we want to add. Once again, you can go and click on it to go and change how it goes and looks. Pinch on it to go and resize it and go and position it just like so. And we can keep on doing that. If when you add one, you can't go and see it, all you need to do is go and click on hold on one of them, and you can then drag down to adjust the layering. As you can see, I've now managed to go and reveal it. And just like that, I'm finished. I could add music and text and make some other edits as well. Then we can click on next in the bottom right. We can go and add a caption and do the normal things you can for a post. When you're ready, click on share, and that's it.